Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error, that is no audio output device is installed. So if you're receiving this error message in Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to run audio troubleshooter. For this, go to the start menu and then click on settings. Now if you have Windows 11, click on system and then click on troubleshoot. Now if you have Windows 10, then click on update and security and then you will find troubleshoot option. So in Windows 10, when you launch settings, you will see update and security, then click on troubleshoot. In Windows 11, click on system, then click on troubleshoot. Now click on other troubleshooters or additional troubleshooters. Now here you can see audio. So find audio and then in Windows 10, simply click on audio and then you will see the option which says run the troubleshooter. In Windows 11, click on run. And once the troubleshoot is complete, restart your computer and then check. Now still you are receiving the error message. In that case, set speaker as default. For this, make a right click on the speaker icon. On the bottom left here, you can see the speaker icon. Make a right click, then click on sound settings. Now in Windows 10, you will find sound option. So click on sound options and then you should be able to open sound control panel. So make a right click, then click on sound settings, or in Windows 10, click on sound. In Windows 11, scroll down and click on more sound settings and this will launch sound control panel. Now select your speaker over here. So select your speaker and then click on set default. So in my case, this is grayed out. I have only one speaker. And so if you have multiple speaker, you can select your speaker and then click on set default. Now the next step is to update audio driver from device manager. Now for this, make a right click on the start menu and then click on device manager. Now expand sound, video and game controllers. Over here you will find your audio device. Make a right click on audio and then click on update driver. Then click on search automatically for drivers and then let the installation complete. If that does not resolve, then make a right click on the audio once again, update driver. This time click on search automatically for drivers and then click on search for updated drivers on Windows Update. And this will launch settings. If there is any update, it will update it from here. Now still you are facing the problem, then again make a right click on the audio device. This time click on update driver and then click on browse my computer for drivers and then click on let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Now if Realtek audio, or it may be other audio device, so if Realtek is selected over here, select high definition audio device and then click on next. If you have high definition audio device over here, in that case you can select Realtek audio and then click on next. Let the installation complete and then restart your computer, and after the system restart, check. Now still you are receiving this error. In that case, open device system devices in device manager. So make a right click on the start menu once again and then click on device manager. Scroll down here, you can see system devices, expand it. Now over here you have to go ahead and find anything which says audio. So in my case, let me check. Here I have only high definition audio controller. Now in your case, it may be this, or it may be other name with audio. So any component if you find which has audio, make a right click and then click on update driver and then click on browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select high definition and then click on next and let the installation complete. After the installation, restart your computer, and after the system restart, check that error should go away. This should go away. Still you are receiving the error message. In that case, uninstall audio driver and restart your computer. So again, open device manager, make a right click on the start menu, click on device manager. Now again, expand sound, video and game controllers and then make a right click on the audio device, then click on uninstall device, then click on uninstall. Now after the uninstall, restart your computer. Make sure that you restart your computer after this. Now during the system restart, it will install the default audio drivers and then check the sound. Now still you're facing the problem. In that case, update the audio driver from your system manufacturer website. So if you have a Dell computer, go to Dell website, select your model number, go to drivers and download, and then select drivers over here, and then find audio driver. So click on download. So find the audio driver. This is just an example. This is for Dell computers. So make sure that you select your model number and then find the audio drivers and then download it, run the file, install the driver, restart your computer, and that error should go away. Now, if you have Lenovo computer, go to Lenovo website. Again, select your model number. This is just an example. And then click on audio. Go to manual update first and then click on audio and then download the driver. Download the audio driver and then install it. If you have HP computer, select your desktop or laptop and then enter your serial number and then find your audio driver. So go to a system manufacturer website, install the audio driver from your system manufacturer website, restart your computer and then check the sound. Now the next step is to update Windows to the latest version. Now this is very important. So go to the start menu, then click on settings. In Windows 10, click on update and security. In Windows 11, click on Windows update, then click on check for update. And once all the updates are installed, restart your computer. And after the system restart, check your sound. Now the next step is to update Windows using media creation tool. If you have Windows 10, copy this link. If you have Windows 11, copy this link. Windows 10 users, go to this website. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download tool now and then run this exe file. Then you will see the screen. Click on accept. By default, upgrade this PC now would be selected. Click on next. It will start downloading Windows 10 along with the latest update. Now this process will take some time. Now once the download is complete, before the installation, you will see the screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So click on install, and once the installation is complete, log into your computer. Now for Windows 11 users, go to this website. Here also you will find media creation tool. Click on download now and then run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. Now this will load Windows 11 media creation tool. Now click on accept. By default, Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file, then click on next. You can save the location. You can set the location as desktop and then click on save over here. Now once the download is complete, click on finish and then go to desktop. Find Windows ISO file. Make a double click on Windows ISO file. Then run the setup file. Make a double click on setup file. Click on yes to allow. This will load Windows 11 now. And here you can see install Windows 11. Click on next. It will check for update. Then click on accept. Again, it will check for update. Now before the installation, you will see the screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. Click on install. After the installation, log into your computer. Now the last step is to reset your computer. So before you perform reset, make sure that you back up your data because a reset will result in data loss. So to perform reset, go to the start menu, then click on settings, click on Windows Update, then click on advanced option. In Windows 10, when you click on Windows Update or when you click on Update and Security, you will see the recovery option. In Windows 11, click on Windows Update, then click on Advanced option, and then you will see Recovery option. Click on Recovery. Here you can see the option which says Reset this PC. So click on Reset PC. And then here you can see two options. One is Keep My Files, which will remove application and settings, but it will keep your personal files. In Remove Everything option, it will remove all your personal file, application, and settings. So select the option which you want. And then click on Local Reinstall. And then click on Next. And let the installation complete. Once the reset is done, you have to set up your computer once again and then check the sound. So one of the steps should help you to get rid of this error. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.